Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I said I was going to do a video on how to attack the completing the squares questions to try to get full credit. I'm going to show you basically kind of what you're doing with completing the square that's a little different than the quadratic formula. So you can see on my iPad, I've got an equation. They want us to figure out which one of these four choices is the right one for completing the square. I'm going to work backwards I'm going to take this equation, I'm going to graph it, I'm going to find the minimum, and once I have the minimum, I can go backwards to find the correct answer. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So let me get the calculator uh, right here. So let me get rid of this and let's start this over. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to graph x squared minus 12x minus 12x minus 10. Boom, do that. Now, I need to find the minimum. So I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to go window, and then I'm just going to fit the um, quadratic on the page. So I'm going to pull it over a little bit. Here's the minimum. So I'm just going to go menu 6, 2, start on the left, pull it to the right. So here is my minimum. So if I write that, let's go back to the iPad because now that's all I need. So once I go back here, it's going to be 6 negative 46. So that means my answer is going to be x equals 6 plus or minus the square root of 46. Now the question is, yeah, that's it, right? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to work backwards. So I'm going to add or excuse me, I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. So that leaves me with square root of 46. Now, in order to get rid of the square root, I am going to square both sides. So basically what I have is x minus 6 squared equals 46, right? So here is what they want. So the answer would be this one, right? So it's a positive 46. And to get the on the left-hand side, it should be minus 6. So this is our answer. So basically, I took this and x minus 6, this part, equals 46. Just have to square it. There you have it. Whatever this number is, you're going to take the negative of it, put it inside parentheses and square it. Whatever this number is, you're just going to you're going to negate it. So if it's negative, you're going to make it positive. If it's positive, you're going to make it negative. I don't think you're going to have too many negatives or positives that you're going to make negative, because that would be irrational or a imaginary root, and we don't do those in Algebra 1, right? So here's our answer. We're just going to submit it and see how they like it. Yeah, that's it. X minus 6. So even if you're completing the square, you just find the minimum, and then you're going to negate the X and the Y, and that's going to give you basically the equation that you need. What we need to do is we just got to do a few practice questions, but that's it. All right, so I'm going to stop and post this. So